Hello everybody, my name is Nick. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create or make Chai AI bot. So first of all, you need to open up Chai AI app and then log into your account. As you can see, here is my account. After that, at the very bottom you can see 5 tabs. So you need to go to the plus tab right here, create a chat AI. Customize the AI with a personally of your choosing, create a new friend or a fictional character. The possibilities are endless. So click on continue. And finally, we can start creating our chatbot. So the first page is identify. Here you can upload an image for your chatbot. To do it, click on the upload button. And here you can add image from gallery or generate an image. For example, let's generate it. Just describe here an image. For example, a bad girl. Okay, click. And there are 3 results. So you can select the necessary one. For example, I like this one. Let's click on the select button. Then let's crop this image a bit. Okay. And finally, click on the apply button at the top right. Now you need to name your character. For example, Alisa. Here you can make your bot public or private. If you will select public, this bot will be visible and available to everyone. If private, only visible and available to you. So let's click on public and continue. Okay, on the second page, you can add the first message for your bot. For example, hi dear, I don't know. And then just click on the continue button. Okay. And on the last page, you already can publish your bot, but at the very bottom, you also can find the advanced button. So if you click on it, you can customize your bot. So you can add refine backstory. As you can see, this is the backstory we use to create your AI, add details that influence their personality, memory, and the situation you want them in. So just describe the bot's story right in this field. And then click on the continue button. On this page you can customize chat direction. So have a short conversation with your AI and help edit the responses to shape the tone and conversation style you want from your AI. For example, click on generate. Here's the answer. You can answer something to here, and if you like the bot's answers, just click on the next button at the top right. And finally, you can publish this bot. Let's click on the publish button at the very bottom, and here it is. Now you can chat with your own AI chatbot. By the way, you can find your Chai AI bot right on the home page. Just click on the home page button, and then at the very top you can find your bot. Click on it, then click on chat, and just start chatting with it. Hope my video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.